Hello everyone, Deb Floros for Jesse James Beads. Have you seen the Over the Garden Wall color palette from Jesse James Beads? Oh my gosh, this is so wonderful. This is an amazing collection of beads and metal. There is so much in this wonderful palette that you can make a ton of jewelry designs. I love the colors, the different textures, the different finishes. Oh my gosh. And the bead shapes are so much fun to work with. This next one, these clear ones, are top drilled. There's some teardrops. And oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite shapes. And daisy spacers, my favorite spacer. I love them. So you've got some metal, you've got lots of beads. So I'm going to make a necklace today. I'm going to need a ton of head pins, some 19 strand beading wire, and I'm going to dump out the beads that I'm going to use. I'm going to use those lovely olive faceted teardrops and those little tiny glass pearls. I'm also going to use some daisy spacers, shocker, and these beauties. Oh my gosh, the sparkle is unbelievable. So I'm not going to use all of these head pins, I joked, but I am going to string on to my head pin a daisy spacer, one of the drops, another daisy spacer, a pearl, and then I'm going to create a wire wrap loop up top. And I am going to finish it because I'm creating all of these to string onto my necklace. So I'm going to do this for all of the teardrops that are in this amazing palette box. So I'm doing my wire wrap loop, cutting off my excess, and I'm going to keep creating this little drop piece until they're all wrapped. I'm going to grab some Jesse James Beads seed beads from the seed bead collection and some 19 strand beading wire. And I'm going to start stringing from the center of my piece. So I want to see how all of these dangles are going to play with the other beads I want to use. So, oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so this is going to be the pattern for the focal section of the necklace. I've got a couple of seed beads on either side of the dangles, so they're acting as spacers. Then I'm going to cut my stringing wire and I'm going to start going up the sides. And I'm actually going to use those daisy spacers for some of my stringing sections. So I've got little piles of them. They look really beautiful together. Some spacer seed beads in between. And then I'm just interspersing the pearls and those lovely faceted beads. They are so gorgeous. And I'm going all the way up top, and then I'm going to take some chain. So I've got this chain from Jesse James Beads, but you can use any chain from Jesse James Beads to add a little bit of an extender. So I usually go with 3 to 4 inches for an extender. And I'm going to attach a jump ring to one end, and then I'm going to close off my the end with a crimp tube and some French wire. And I'm going to add my lobster claw, which I'm just doing a simple lobster claw with my chain. And wow, this is a sparkly, beautiful over the garden wall necklace. I'm in love with it. You can find all of these amazing beads in this palette, and you can pick up this wonderful color palette from jessejamesbeads.com. I hope you'll give it a try. Thank you so much for watching.